amazing health. Benefits of Guyabano. Soursop fruit. The Guyabano is a white-fleshed fruit with a spiky skin, native to many tropical countries, such as Malaysia, Mexico, Venezuela, and our very own Philippines. Also known as the pawpaw fruit in Brazil or the Soursop fruit in other countries. 1. Guyabano is a cancer-fighting food.
Several studies done by Purdue University or published in the Journal of Medicinal Chemistry have pointed to the fact that Guyabano extract actually inhibits the growth of adriamycin-resistant human mammary adenocarcinoma cells, also known as multidrug-resistant cancer cells. While these tests were done in a test tube, it certainly wouldn't hurt to eat something that shows so much promise that scientists are planning to conduct chemotherapy using its active compounds.
2. Guyabano is packed with vitamin C.
Not only does vitamin C boost one's immune system as a highly effective antioxidant, helping you fight off everything from the average cold to a terrible case of the flu. It also helps prevent urinary tract infection by lowering the bacterial count in your urinary tract. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron, preventing anemia.
3. Guyabano is a must for pregnant women because of all its vitamins and nutrients.
Guyabano also has plenty of folate, which is an essential B vitamin which will help prevent birth defects and other complications that may be experienced during pregnancy. It also prevents water retention, a common problem amongst pregnant women. It's also said to increase a mother's milk production after childbirth.
4. Partaking of your daily Guyabano can help keep your bones strong.
Because Guyabano is full of calcium, not to mention the fact that it has copper, which helps absorb calcium, you will strengthen your bones and help prevent osteoporosis. This also has the added bonus of helping speed up the healing process. Should you ever find yourself in an accident where you broke a bone, strong bones are necessary to help reduce back pain, and increasing your calcium intake will prevent future loss of bone density.
5. Feeling headache or feverish. Guyabano fruit is good for that.
A traditional medicinal use for Guyabano is for helping with headaches and migraines, as well as to reduce fevers. This is probably down to the riboflavin in Guyabano, which is known for helping with such pains. Either way, Guyabano tea has certainly helped kids in various Filipino households get better when they're
6.
feeling unwell.
Guyabano can help with a variety of stomach ailments.
Guyabano is also rich in fiber, which explains why it was such an effective treatment against diarrhea, constipation, and inflammation of one's bowels even before modern medicine came up with anything. Eat the fruit or drink the juice, both are good for your digestion. As a bonus, if you crush the seeds, they're known to treat nausea and vomiting, keeping your stomach steady.
7. Guyabano is also used to get rid of pesky parasites.
This is especially good to know if you're Where'd you picked up something from? Unclean drinking water or improperly cooked food. Guyabano fruit and juice are used to help the body purge out worms and other parasites. The seeds can also be crushed to use against internal as well as external parasites.
8. Feeling constantly fatigued. A daily dose of Guyabano. Goodness will fix it.
The Guyabano is also full of other B vitamins which will boost lowered energy levels and put some pep in your step, not to mention thiamine, which is necessary in processing glucose and transforming it for our body's use as energy.
Guyabano helps reduce pain in your joints and muscles.
Your pain is due to cramping muscles. Guyabano is full of potassium, which will prevent that. It's also great for your lumbar health. Guyabano also reduces inflammation, as evidenced by how much it helps when you have a fever, and this will alleviate the pain that comes with arthritis, joint problems, and rheumatism.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.